How to find Vibrate settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner and then click the settings icon here. Now just click sounds. And here we'll find Vibrate. As you see, it's easy, you can turn it off or on just by one click, and then just to go back it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.